everyone, what's up? Welcome to physics channel of mine. Today we are going to discuss about Ampere's Circuital law, which is very important for BSc 11, 12, or if you are preparing any competitive exam like NEET, JEE, this like of this. So today we are going to explore this law, which is Ampere's Circuital law. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so that you never miss out our video or latest content. So let's begin. Ampere's Circuital law, discovered by Andre-Marie Ampere. It states that the line integral of magnetic field B vector along a closed curve is mu naught times the current I passing through the curve. Right? So, line integral of B vector dot dl vector equal to mu naught I enclosed, where mu naught I is absolute permeability of free space. So what is this? Let us understand. Okay. First of all, I will give an example, then you will better understand. There is a two electric field. One is going off and another is going down. It is a loop. Generally, Ampere says you can take any loop, any size, right? So we take this type of loop, right? We know every electric field produces magnetic fields. So this electric field produces magnetic field and also this electric field produces magnetic field. But the direction was opposite of these two electric field, right? So what says Ampere? Ampere says we have to calculate at every point of the loop, right? Every point of magnetic field of the loop. So every point of magnetic field, the point name as dl, right? So every point name dl. Okay. So if we count the magnetic field, we take every point name is dl, right? So what should we do? Ampere said every point have same value, so we take line integral of B vector. B vector is represent the magnetic field of the loop and dl vector at this point, right? You should remember each rule is working for only closed loop, right? What is closed loop? The loop should be closed, not this type. It is not closed, but it is closed. So it is only for closed loop, right? So what will be the answer? B vector, the dl vector equal to mu naught times of I. But there is two electric field, so what will be? One is I1 and the another one is I2. But why we will take minus I2? See, if we want to know the sign of this, so we have to know about right hand thumb rule, right? See, this magnetic field flows like this, right? So if you see, my thumbs represent the direction. If thumbs represent downward, then it will be positive. If thumbs represent upward, then it will be negative. So this is first is positive and the another is negative, right? And you should always remember I1 also will be enclosed, means the loop should be closed. If there is should be not closed, then it is not obey the Ampere's circuital law, right? And you will know the mu naught means absolute permeability of free space, right? So in this law, if we should find the magnetic field of a closed loop, then we should apply Ampere's circuital law. Is that clear? Right? So thank you for watching, and if you are new here, then please subscribe our channel. Tata, take care all of you.